All right, we got this. This trailer measures 30 feet on the deck. A straight 30 feet on the deck. Homemade trailer, built correctly, guys. It's a heavy one. Double frame, two 6,000-pound axles. Brakes are good. Tires like new. Light package. Ramps. Good floor. It wouldn't take much to get a title for this gang if you needed one. Set up for a hitch pin right now, but it is drilled right there for put your penal hitch on it or whatever you want, gang. That's like a 10-minute job right there. Good jack. There's nothing wrong with this trailer here, gang. It's a double frame, good floor, good rubber, good light package, tall ramps, low clearance. She's a dandy, folks.